You've worked hard your whole life, and then something happens. An illness, an injury, a condition that makes it impossible to keep working. You apply for Social Security benefits, and you get denied. But you're not alone. In fact, 2/3 of Social Security disability claims are denied the first time. And while that might seem unfair, it is the unfortunate reality. So what do you do now? You could fight the system on your own, or you could get someone in your corner who knows exactly how this process works. Let's talk about why hiring a Social Security disability attorney may be one of the most important decisions you can make. Let's start with the facts, because they are striking. A study published by the National Bureau of Economic Research found that people who hired a lawyer before submitting their initial Social Security disability claim were 23% more likely to get approved at that first review. 23%. That's not a small margin. That's nearly a 70% higher chance of getting approved than applicants who go at it alone. That same research found that claimants with legal representation reduced their total case processing time by more than 10 months. Time matters here. When you can't work and bills are piling up, every week counts, let alone months. So what does an attorney do for you? A lot, actually. First, they handle the paperwork. Social Security disability claims involve a mountain of forms and strict deadlines. One missed document or late filing can sink your claim. An attorney makes sure nothing slips through the cracks. They also give you your time back. Adjusting to life with a disability is already overwhelming. Having an attorney manage the legal side means you can focus on your health and your family, not endless red tape. They know what the SSA needs to see. An experienced attorney knows what the Social Security Administration is looking for and how to highlight the most critical parts of your case to give you the best chance of approval as early in the process as possible. They prepare you for hearings. If your case goes before an administrative law judge, having an attorney who understands how to organize medical records, question witnesses, and argue your case can make a real difference. This is not the time to figure it out on your own. They can improve your odds at every stage. The stats show that claimants with attorneys have better outcomes at hearings, in part because an attorney presents an organized, compelling case, and because it's the first time the claimant appears in person to tell their story. But realistically, how much does an attorney cost? This is the question I hear most often, and for good reason. Most Social Security disability attorneys, including us, work on a contingency fee basis. That means you pay no attorney's fee unless you receive benefits. And here's the part people don't always know. The federal government actually caps what a disability attorney can charge. The fee is limited to 25% of your back due benefits, or $9,200, whichever is less. So if you're awarded $10,000 in back due benefits, the maximum attorney fee is $2,500. If you're awarded $50,000, the fee is capped at just $9,200. There are no upfront costs, no hourly billing, and if we don't win, you don't pay. The contingency fee structure was designed so that people who need legal help the most, people who are out of work and struggling financially, can actually get it. If you or someone you love is dealing with a disability and struggling to get benefits, don't try to navigate this alone. The Social Security disability system is complicated, the stakes are high, and having an experienced attorney by your side can make a real, measurable difference. At the law offices of James Scott Farron, we're passionate about helping people get the compensation they may be owed. We offer a free and confidential case evaluation with no obligation, and no upfront costs and no attorney's fee at all unless you receive benefits. Guaranteed. Call or visit us online today. You've already been through enough. Let us fight for you.